I'm Jenny Poffenbarger, and my poem is titled Scar Tissue, not the Red Hot Chili Pepper song. Above my eye from when I got into a fight with a door frame and lost. I have one from across my shin from when I tried to block a winning goal and lost again. Missed it by that much in the clutch of a championship game of intramural soccer. I have one on my finger from that time I was climbing the Tanner building and he fell and I caught him. I saved his life for the cost of one broken right index. A life in exchange for a little white mark. I claim my scars. You see, in a world of false symmetry, scars make things interesting. We catch blows and take swings, and when the suffering is over, scars are the only reason we don't forget the whole thing. I have two tiny scars here. That fixed me when I went 10 months without being able to walk, without looking like I had just stepped off the set of The Walking Dead. The scar on my elbow right here is from when I was trying to copy a jump by a penguin and fell off a boulder. I have one on my shoulder from hopping a fence to a place I shouldn't have been. I claim my scars. Scars come in handy, Dumbledore told Harry. The one above his knee is a perfect map of the London Underground. And he made Harry understand that it was fine, that scars don't disfigure, they define. My sister is a survivor who brought down cancer twice. Scars remain where her body tried to kill her, and she fought back like a warrior. My other sister wears scars up and down her feet. Like shoelaces, she can only walk for so long without a brace. But the biggest is the dark space inside her from the memory of her baby's little face when he came too early and left too soon. We all know heartache. We all know scars. They can only be made by being pulled apart and finding a way to come back together again. Claim your scars, that your thighs have stretch marks even though you don't have kids yet, that your body gave up on you once or twice, let you down. If you check anyone's body, you'll find that they have scars of some kind, that someone loved them and then changed their mind. I claim my scars, but to me, scars are hopeful, and they remind me that these deep crevices inside me will heal with time. That someday I'll look at these marks and I won't see patchwork, I'll see a work of art. Woo! Woo!
Sorry about the snafu at the beginning there.